Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and I'm trying to learn how to work this new computer, and it's giving me a fit. I'm figuring it out, but I'm deleting a lot of footage in the meantime. So here's a huge haul that you don't get to see most of it. Ross, Dollar Tree, Office Max, all of that, but don't worry. You'll see it later this week when we start getting some crafting done, but yeah, really upset. All right, guys, enjoy what's left of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie, and today I wanted to do a quick flip through of the Under the Sea or mermaid theme junk journal that I had started. And I lost the footage of when I created my first spread. So here's the front, the side. I haven't really, made this perfected, but it's fine. Then the back, cut up a bag, put it on there. Then we have this front page, and I got another one to put on the back page so that those match. I did this off camera. Seize the Savings is the name of this Savings Challenge junk journal. And then I worked on this, and it's not completed yet because I finally today was able to find the clear dots that I can create my scratch offs like I did here. This one will all be removed, but like that one was a $10 scratch off, right? So I'm gonna remove these and create new scratch offs and just put them in here. And we'll see if I can remove all of this glue and stuff that I put on here, but not that big of a deal. So I'll put another one down, and I'll probably put a few here to kind of be, decoys. We don't know. We'll scratch some off, and we'll just have to see. Anyway, so I put a sand paper, a sand looking scrapbook paper down, and I put them in the middle, and I just washi taped so that the tape is on each side of the page. I had already glued it down. These were prototypes. I haven't finished, but I can tell you what I can do. I can remove all of this and know that and I will do it with you. Let's see if we can find those. Right here. So I got the white dot labels at the dollar store. They're 3/4 of an inch. Whatever. They're not an inch anymore. We'll be fine. But I'm going to take these, maybe, and put one down here, one down here, and then I'll have to draw more lines and do all that, which is fine. One down here. One here. One here. And one here. Some of these are going to be decoys. Some of these will have numbers written on them. And then I'm going to take, see if I can find it. I had a whole haul. I'm struggling, y'all, with this new computer. I've got to take it to work and get my computer guy to help me because I can get it from my disk to my computer. Then I'm trying to get it into my editing software. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't. Then I'm trying to save it back to my computer to upload it to, and it's not. This OneDrive thing is driving me insane. Now it's telling me I'm out of space, and that's not what I wanted. I don't want the OneDrive thing. I want it on my local. I've got 1 terabyte of SSD. I need for it to go there. Okay? Anyway, it's really annoying me. So then I'm going to take like these. I don't know if I can peel one of these off without ruining it. Yeah, I'm just getting the paint. I need the sticker too, please. I'm gonna try them. There we go. And then I'm going to take these and just put them over top that. And then when I scratch it off, we'll see how much is under it. These are 1-inch circles, the same as this is. And I had to get them from the Office Max store because nobody else had them. And they had only the one sign. So I'm going to put numbers on here. They're going to be low numbers because I don't need to break the bank, you know. Let's do... do this. Okay, we'll have 2, 1, 5, 3, 1, 1. Okay, something like that. We'll start off small. And then I'm going to take these and put these over it. I'm going to make new ones, obviously. And then when it's time to come in and do the savings challenges, I'll have a bunch of scratch-offs, and then I can hide my treasure, the money, in here. So I took the sand-looking paper, put it down, put the washi tape down after I glued it, took the paper bag from the dollar store that I had gotten. I don't know if y'all have seen that. Cut it up, put him on the treasure chest, took some little coins that I got from Hobby Lobby and kind of had those scattered about, and took a coin envelope, took Hobby Lobby ribbon. I thought it kind of looked like the sea mesh or netting or whatever. Glued that down. It's midnight. It's 12:02. So if I sound like I have no idea, what are you talking about, Les? I'm exhausted. I've been on this computer for hours trying to figure it out, and it's nothing. I can't. So we're taking it to the computer guy at work. All right. So I glued all of that down. Then I took a coin envelope and took one of my cards, one of my flash cards, cut it down, washi taped it on there. The money will go into here. Okay? So that's what I want to do throughout this book, is just have various of these scratch-offs. But I have to get the sticker off and not just the scratch off. Ooh. That is the problem. Okay. So that's how that will go. And then when it's time to scratch it off, we'll just come through and scratch it off. Cute, right? Yeah, so I had made a little template, and well, I had made these cards, and they were all in a box, and you scratched them up. I didn't play with it. It wasn't any fun. I think this will be much more fun. So let me go grab some more, see if I can find some more gold ones, and peel them off and see if I can put them down in here. Alright, so here it is so far. I'm just taking it off. These old ones. I've got various paints created already. Purple, pinks, greens, all kinds of colors. So I'm probably just going to take these and paint them and let them dry. And do it that way versus trying to get that very old sticker off of here without ruining the scratch off. We're trying. There we go. Here we go. All right. Add a couple more lines. All right, and that is the first page that I have created. Okay, I'm going to bed. I'm going to let this sit and let these kind of dry out a little bit more. Some of them have been stuck together and they need to really get dry. Although they're a couple of years old now, so I guess if you're going to be dry, you're going to be dry by now. But you basically take I think it's 2 parts paint, 1 part dishwashing soap, and mix it together and paint it on there, and it does that. It's pretty darn cool. So I'll take these and throw these away. Alright, and then tomorrow, after I have solved this computer problem and can get my brain to not be so angry, we will sit and look at all of the other things that I got that I lost in my footage. We'll just look at these things first and then start doing some organization. Okay? Alright, I'll see you in just a second.